Welcome everyone! In this session, we will focus on Chapter 10 Ensuring On-Time Dyeing Approvals. This video provides a practical guide for textile color lab managers to consistently meet approval timelines. Why do on-time approvals matter? Delays directly impact production flow and delivery commitments. Key risks include production holdups, missed deadlines, unnecessary cost overruns, and reduced buyer confidence. Consider the real-world impact. If a buyer requires a 3-day approval cycle, and your lab submits DIPs after 5 days, the entire production schedule is delayed, risking late shipment penalties. Let's review a typical approval workflow. It begins with receiving a buyer request, followed by recipe preparation, lab DIP execution, color measurement, internal review, dispatch, and finally, follow-up. To maintain efficiency, aim for a 72-hour approval cycle for most shades. This includes 4 hours for recipe development, same-day execution of the first dip, and efficient measurement and submission processes. Managing priorities is essential. Assign your most experienced technicians to high-priority tasks, like urgent bulk shipments. Schedule medium-priority tasks into your regular workflow, and fit low-priority development samples into any idle capacity. Utilize effective tools to improve performance. Maintain an approval tracker in Excel or your ERP. Hold 10 to 15-minute daily status meetings to align the team, and use digital communication for faster updates and better traceability. Establish clear communication protocols. Internally, update production teams upon confirmation. Externally, proactively inform buyers of any potential delays with clear reasons, and revise timelines to maintain transparency. Quality assurance is vital to avoid repeated trials. Always ensure recipe accuracy. Verify shade tolerances. Calibrate your instruments regularly, and maintain consistent lab conditions, such as temperature and lighting. Common challenges include shade mismatches, recipe delays, or slow buyer feedback. Address these by recalibrating instruments, optimizing workloads, assigning dedicated staff to chase approvals, or further training your team. Monitor your KPIs to stay on track. Key metrics include turnaround time, the percentage of approvals completed on the first attempt, approval pending rates, and average delta E values. Maintaining a detailed approval tracking log is a simple yet effective practice. It helps you monitor the status of each brand's requests and provides clear remarks for future reference. Standardize your operations. A clear SOP for the approval workflow, from initial logging and task assignment to internal review and buyer follow-up, is essential for consistent results. Finally, commit to continuous improvement. Regularly review performance data. Train staff in advanced techniques. Implement lean methods to reduce waste, and benchmark your lab's efficiency against industry standards. In summary, timely approvals keep production on track and buyers satisfied. Use systems, track your KPIs, and practice proactive planning. Thank you for watching. Let's now move on to the next Chapter 11, Optimizing Lab Productivity and Throughput.